Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make an emergency landing in a cabin crew simulator. First, you must quickly assess the situation, noting any damage or system failures. Immediately communicate with the flight deck to understand the emergency type and expected landing conditions. Then, prepare the cabin by securing all loose items and ensuring all emergency exits are clear and ready for use. This initial preparation is crucial for passenger safety. Once the cabin is prepared, brief your passengers on brace positions and emergency exit procedures. Speak clearly and calmly to reassure them. Ensure all passengers are seated, with seatbelts securely fastened, and all tray tables are stowed. Listen carefully for the brace for impact command from the flight deck, and then instruct passengers to assume their brace positions immediately. Your calm demeanor is vital. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. After the aircraft has landed, await its full stop before initiating any evacuation commands. It is critical to assess external conditions through the windows before opening any emergency exits, checking for hazards like fire or water. Once safe, direct passengers to evacuate to designated safe areas, ensuring a swift and orderly process. Your leadership guides everyone to safety.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.